got a phone call from my mom instead of who I thought I was going to get a phone call from. So, yeah, kind of got the bleeding stopped. I'll just cut these wires off here. Yeah, I stopped recording since I wasn't recording. I stopped working, I should say, since I wasn't recording. So, here we go. Alright. So, we got this wire. We got some string tape here. You know what? Where are my gloves at? I should just put them on. But I was trying to stop the bleeding a while ago. I don't want to get my gloves all bloody. Oh, where are my gloves? Ah! Alright, y'all. They should have been right here. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm at the storage unit. I don't have my vest on. Money I found the other day just thrown in my car. Where's my gloves? Hold on, y'all. Okay, guys, we're back. I got me a magnet here. Got me some more pliers with a cutting tool on there. And we'll see. Alright, so the screw's obviously stuck, of course. Put those up there. I was trying to see if that was going to stick, but oh yeah, it does. Right? Or wrong? Did I just touch it wrong? No, nope, that does not stick. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know. Nothing else sticks. Alright, let's just continue on here. Alright, so we were talking about wires here. Wires everywhere. So we're going to cut these off, I think. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to take some of these off out of my way. Alright, there's that. Take all these off. Alright. Alright. Gotta cut these off. Well, maybe. Alright. Oh, mercy. I might have to try to see if I got something in my storage unit. Whoa, there we go. To hold the camera so I can work more efficiently, y'all. Alright, hold on. I just thought about it. This would work, probably. There you go. Gonna get you here. On there. Yeah. That kind of works. I like it. Hold on. There you go. Alright, y'all. Hands free. Woohoo! Alright, then. Need to get this off. Okay, I got one glove on. I couldn't find the other glove, so there's have to be one glove there, y'all. This is not working still. Maybe I can get it off with this pliers to grip it and turn it. I might have gotten it loose enough that I can use this Phillips screwdriver again. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Got that off. Alright. So I still need to get these plastic things off so I can lift that off of there, right? How do you do that without breaking it? Alright, I'm going to try to use my cutters here and cut that plastic only. There we go. Got one piece off. Oh, there's so many on there. What is that? Alright, we're going to be gentle here, y'all. Cutting the little connector pieces, plastic piece off to try to get it to go through that. Okay, one more, and we ought to be able to slide this booger off ever so gently. Maybe not. Oh, maybe so. Voila! Alright, and can it slide off? It's still not sliding, y'all. Right, there it goes. There it goes. We did it. We did it. That's still intact, thank God. Rip these little suckers off. This copper, y'all. Copper. Alright. Snip that piece off. Snip these pieces off right here. Little coppery pieces. I don't know what you can see. It's really thin. Trying to get it so you guys can see what I'm doing. Of course, I can't really see too well. Hopefully I'm getting that on the camera. If not, I'm sorry. Tried. Okay. Alright, y'all. So I got our, ooh, almost all of them off. Alright, one more copper wire here. There we go. Copper wire bundle. So there's like copper wire all in here around this here. In the groove. Might try to get this off of here. I don't know if I can break it off just with my hand. Yeah, sure I can. Part of it. Alright, yeah, so we'll have to cut the rest of that copper off of that. Put that over there. Now we'll try to see if we can't get that off of here. If I can get a hold of it. Let's see here. Kind of like in there, isn't it? Huh. Strange. I see it there. Not want to come off easily. Okay, get started. Some things are just easier to do with your bare hands, I'm telling you. Alright, part of it off. Maybe that part there? Yeah, there we go. Oh, it goes in that hole there, y'all. Alright, this one went there. There's two more, I guess, over here. Oh my God, it's just really hot out here, y'all. I don't know if I can keep doing this on camera because it's just hot. Alright. I guess I'm not that strong. Alright. Let's see here. Take these big old pliers and break it off. Maybe. Maybe not. It's not brittle. Yeah, it ain't breaking off. I bent it, but I didn't break it off. So I will work on that later because it's got some metal pieces on here that if I am not careful, I'm going to hurt myself. Let's see if I can get that off with a gloved hand. Oh yeah, there we go. Get that piece off, maybe. Yeah, it's got some glue on there. That's not good. Usually I try to get the glue off. Yeah, but it's not easy. It gets really messy. It's up to you what you want to do. Alright. Set those aside. Alright, don't know what you can see. We're going to try to move you backwards some and see if that don't help. And if it don't help, there's another level here. Yeah, there we go. Hello. Alright, here we go. I hope I'm recording. Yes, okay. So far, yes. Alright, so now we got this piece here, the cord itself, and it's connected to the circuit board over here. I turn that around some and cut these off of the circuit board here. Oh, does it come out? Hey, it makes it easier. A whole lot easier. Here we go. There and there. Voila! Big old chunky cord. Cut the plug end off because they don't like the plug-ins on there. And yes, I do take these prongs out, the brass pieces out with a vise clamp. that I was using in the garage where I'm living. Right now I'm not allowed to use that. So, got that piece. Got these little pieces here. And, oh, what is that? Piece of metal with a lot of dust on there. Okay. What was I doing? I thought oh yeah, look at that. That's got some copper on there too, y'all. See it? Do you see it? I don't know what you're seeing. Right here, I can't see. It's at a weird angle, y'all, so we're just gonna go with it. Hopefully y'all saw that. Alright. I'm just gonna manhandle this, woman handle this, like that, and like that, and voila. Got a big chunky metal piece of circuit board on there. Get rid of that later. Get this piece off. Maybe. Break up that. Oh, there's some more copper right there, y'all. Right there. We'll break that off of there. Best I can. Alright. Getting the little piece off. Oh, it does hurt underneath here. It does. I wish I did have my other glove. I don't know where it's at. So there we got that piece. I will unwind that later. And now we got to try to get this bigger piece off of here. Okay, I'm going to try to cut it off with these. See how that goes. Doing it left-handed. I'm a right-handed person, but sometimes I work better left-handed with tools. So, alright, that's that. Got half of it undone. Let's see here. Come on, bigger. Alright, just twist it off, y'all, maybe. Right there. Chunky piece of copper. Wrapped in like copper tape. Alright, so we got this piece of metal here. We'll take that apart. And then we got this big piece of metal here. Take that apart, too. Okay. This, I can't remember if there was copper in that piece or not. I think I have taken those apart before, but I can't remember if there's copper in there or not. But we'll check that out later. Let's try to finish breaking that off. Like that. That's how you do it, folks. Some people use hammers, some people use their hands. Voila. Just like that. Voila, voila. Alright, that piece is done. Alright, there's a spring over here. Get you guys back over this way so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm going to have a seat here in the back of my car. I'm going to try to break this spring thing loose here. Yeah, maybe by my hand would be best, huh? Gotta remember, don't break that. Okay, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna try to use the screwdriver. Loosen the string tape. That string tape is strong, y'all. Okay, and we'll take this here and we'll snip that piece there. And it should slide out like that there. Alright. So we'll take that piece off there because I think that's copper wire and, well, let's see here. We got a magnet right here, right? See, yeah, that's copper wire tinted, and then that is steel. We're going to call it steel because it sounds better than tin, right? Alright. Cut that off of there. Like, Did I do it? I think so. Ooh, maybe not. Nope, try it again. See, my snippers are dull. There we go. Now let's see here. If there's still a piece on here that's going to be sticking to the magnet or not. No? Alright, we'll stick that over there. Where can I stick my magnet at, y'all? Oh, those little things stick to it. Huh. Alright, learned something new today. I wish it would just stick in my car like other people have places for it to stick. I might create a spot for it. I don't know. I'll do something here. Alright, grass stuff can go down there. Oh, it goes underneath the thing, y'all. Alright, let's do this here. We'll cut it off here, I guess. Like that. Still a little bit of copper in there, but I guess we're going to say we don't care, right? Alright, so we'll undo these screws here. There's 4 here. And we'll carefully take out the, whatever you call that tube thing. But you gotta be careful because you're gonna get shocked. I thought it might have a year on there, but I don't see a year on there. Yeah? Oh? Nope. Alright, let's continue on. So, yeah, that one. Alright, that one's loose. Spin it around here, get these other 2, and we got to get that speaker out also. That is screwed in there. Alright, so we're getting this TV torn down. Yeah, I did think about keeping it for a moment, but then when I realized it didn't really have any hookups for like a DVD player, I'm like, forget that noise. And besides, I got a bigger screen, flat screen TV that I found that's in my storage unit that also works, or it did when I stuck it in there. That I might be using instead to hook up. Somehow I would like to get my YouTube channels on there so I could watch it in big screen, watch you guys in big screen. So I can see stuff better. Alright, oh, we got that loose. Try to get this out from underneath there. Trying to push that down, but it's not working. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to stick this at if I get it out. Alright. Oh. Took the whole copper wire with it. Alright, well, since we did that, we might as well work on this speaker here. Alright, let's switch hands again, back to the right hand. And we'll take this screw out here. Oh. Alright, here it comes. Thought it wasn't working there for a moment. Alright, we got a speaker, y'all. Wah, wah. Okay, then. Yeah. Oh, I guess that's that. So we got some scrap plastic pieces here. It was a 13-inch Symphonic personal television, energy efficient model. But nobody wanted it, so they threw it away. Oh, that's a piece of metal around that. Huh, that might not come off, y'all, because it's on there pretty good. But if I can just get these wires off, that's what I really care about, is the copper wire here. Without damaging that tube. Voila, we got it. Now I gotta figure out where to dispose of that properly. Alright, y'all. I guess that's that. Thanks for watching Gold Bullion Treasures. Bye.